Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, all of my friends. Welcome in K.Z Kitchen. How are you and what's going on nowadays? Everyone make chicken recipes at their homes. Some marinate, grill, steam or frying. Today K.Z Kitchen gonna share a baking recipe of marinated chicken bread recipe. In this recipe, I'm gonna marinate the chicken breast pieces and then I will place these in a bread and I will bake. Okay, let's start the recipe. For this, I am taking 1 teaspoon sugar and half teaspoon salt, 2 egg whites. Let's whisk these little bit so they could well combine. Okay. Now I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoon of ghee. You can use butter or oil place of this ghee, but if you will use this ghee, definitely you will got a different result. Okay, I have added 2 teaspoon of instant yeast. I'm mixing these. Now I'm adding 1 cup or 1.5 cup lukewarm water. Whisk them well so these ingredients could be well combined. Okay, now I am adding 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour or bread flour. Let's mix this and make a fine dough. Now I will use half tablespoon of ghee further. So our dough could be a fine. Okay, knead it well. We will leave it for 30 minutes first and then we will knead it again and then we will get its parts. Now it's ready to leave. Let's see our chicken breast pieces which I have gotten too much thin. With the help of my rolling pin, you can use kitchen hammer if you have. Okay, I have taken 8 to 9 pieces. You can take according to your recipe how much breads do you want to make. Okay, we have to make a marination for this chicken. Let's start the marination. Here I have my homemade sour cream. I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon heaped. Else I am going to add some olive oil for getting shine our chicken pieces. It's maximum 1 teaspoon. Also I'm adding half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper and half teaspoon mustard paste. If you don't have mustard paste, so you can use mustard powder and also little bit white vinegar. Okay, let's mix this and make a fine paste or marination for our chicken pieces. Now it's ready. Let's marinate our chicken pieces. I am using brush. If you don't have, so you can use your hands or also you can use a spatula or a spoon. We will apply both of sides of our chicken like this. We will leave these pieces only for 10 minutes after marination. I am applying properly all the sides. Okay, I'm gonna cover the marinated chicken and keep it in a side. Okay. Now here our bread dough is completely ready for working. You can see the result, mashallah. It's looking so nice. Let's divide it in sufficient amount. I have kneaded again and now I'm getting its parts. Okay, just follow the method. Okay, I will prepare all of my bread portions like this. I have greased the surface or my counter and then I am folding and rolling my bread dough. Okay, now these are ready. Let's start making our marinated chicken bread. Dust your counter and then start rolling your dough. We have to roll it a little bit oval shape. Okay, let's start. Keep pressing the sides and roll it even. Like this, our marinated chicken bread would be a smooth surface. Okay, now it's done. Roll it little bit more. Just. You can check the thickness. It's very thin at this time. Here I have my homemade tomato paste. It's not ketchup. Place a marinated chicken piece and then apply some tomato paste on the top of this chicken and also place some fresh coriander and some mozzarella cheese. Let's fold it like this. Follow the steps same. Now we will seal the ends or edges like this. Pull and press, pull and press like this. Like this our bread would be look beautiful or that would be safe also. I have applied some my remaining marination on the top of this bread on half side and remaining half side I have covered with the tomato sauce. Now it's ready. Let's prepare our remaining all breads with the same method. Roll your dough in little bit oval shape and then place a chicken marinated piece and then some tomato paste, some coriander and then some mozzarella cheese. You can use cheese slices also if you have. Now fold its edges with the same method. If you can't do that, so you can use your fork for sealing the edges. Apply some marination and also apply some tomato paste. Okay, now it's ready also. I prepared all of my breads and then I kept them for baking. Let's see how our breads are looking after baking. There you go friends, our first bread is almost ready and it's looking very pretty. Mashallah, you can see the result, how much soft these are. Check the softness and the chicken we stuff inside the bread is almost done also. Mashallah, these are so soft. Okay viewers, see you soon with another special and beautiful recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz and enjoy my recipe please.